to Tucker and some of those guys about how that works. I don't know locker room wise and on the bench wise and everything. If there's you can have too many guys on a bench, but no, I like that aspect of it, that you're going to have a tighter knit group at the big league level with more guys, and I just think it helps with the reward of guys that are working hard and deserving those opportunities for them to jump right up and fit right in. So I applaud that aspect, but I just wish we could have our minor leagues, back to where they were too.
I'm gonna miss going to the Indians games. I like taking my kids to the Indians games. Even my 12-year-old, who's not a big sports fan, likes going to the games.
There's nothing not to like about it. It's fun. It's a ballpark. It's good baseball.
There's all kinds of stuff going on. And look, every once in a while, they start getting tired and whatever. It's okay to leave a little bit early sometimes. And I would say 50% of the time we make it through the entire game. And 50% of the time it's like the 6th or 7th inning and the kids are tired and hungry and they just want to go home, man. It's okay too.
Right. The parents get that way too, depending on how hot and how many beers.
Truth be told, I'm usually the one who's ready to go, Joe. I'm that guy that the second one of the kids yawns, I'm like, oh, hon, he's tired. We should probably go, hey, Jake, you ready to go home? Okay, let's go. But I love going. We get there early. We stay for a while. We get some food. We watch innings, and then it's time to go home. So that happens sometimes. But no, Major League Baseball should be coming back, and I tweeted out last night, Joe. Excited that it's back. First opponent, COVID-19. I really, really, really hope that we get this thing done and get it happen. That's my biggest fear right now. We've gotten the let's get back to play thing out of the way for baseball. Now let's just make sure we can play and get an entire shortened season at this point in time.
And again, their protocols will be so interesting to watch because their protocols are going to line up with the NFL. They are going to be going from city to city. There's no bubble. So they'll be testing. There'll be airplanes, buses, whatever they're going to do because they're going to have so many of these shorter trip, because of the schedule they're going to play. It will be very interesting to see how they handle that. So I think the NFL will certainly have their eyes tightly scrutinizing what ends up happening in baseball. And I think to an extent, some of the race teams too, because if you can start opening things up to fans, then that opens up another issue. And that's the other thing. I've not heard anything about that aspect of it. I thought Texas was still cool with having people in the stands.
Do not do it. Not in that state.
In Boston, are you not no fans? But if you play in Texas and Harlekin or whatever, can you get fans? I'm interested to see how that thing plays out, and whether or not they're going to allow them in there. I don't know. I did not read anything that had to do with that specifically. Everything that you kind of talked about there, the interesting rule changes and some of the things that they're going to try, didn't get any deeper down into it than that. But that would be an interesting aspect also to start thinking about, because there'll be more corona test positive for these baseball guys, just because they're not going to be in a bubble, I would assume. And it'll be interesting to see if that actually is true or not.
Can I just say one thing this morning too? We're going to get into this a lot a little bit later on, but Paul George, just move on.
We have. Why can't
I
you?
don't care what your perception was. I don't care what happened.
Baby.
All I know is you couldn't wait to get out of Indiana at a certain point, and you did. And then you went to Oklahoma City, and you said, just like you said here, you couldn't wait to spend your career there. And then you bolted from Los Angeles, where the first thing you did when you told us, and when you got there, is tell us how all you've ever wanted to do was play for your hometown team. Fine. Okay. So be happy that you're in Los Angeles playing for the Clippers, and just because you thought you could deliver a power forward who you thought might have been the best power forward in the game right before you left and forced to trade, doesn't mean that there was any realistic possibility